how to recover deleted videos from your iPad. So if you want to recover your deleted videos from your iPad with or without backup, then here are some few options to choose from. First, you can take your iPad, go with the recently deleted option, which will be right here. Go and select the items that you would like to recover, and then go with recover all, which will be on the top of your screen, and you'll be able to recover. But make sure that you've turned on the sync option. So you need to just simply go with your settings, and under settings, you need to go with iCloud photo library and make sure that the option is turned on. After this option is turned on, you can go with your iCloud.com, go with login and make sure to log into your account. After logging in, you need to go with photos option. Make sure to log in with the same Apple ID on your iPad. And once you've chosen photos, you can click on recently deleted folder, which will be on the left side. After that, choose the photo or the video that you would like to recover, and then click on the recover button, which will be in the top right of your screen. Generally, the deleted photos might take up to 40 days to show up on your device. But if you don't have a backup and if you want to recover your permanently deleted files, then what you need to do is, in this case, you can go with iMyFone debug. This recovery tool works better for you. You can use the debug to retrieve permanently deleted videos and photos from your iPad without backup. As a powerful data recovery tool, it supports the recovery of data of more than 18 types. And it supports on almost every device. So you just need to simply go and install the application. And after installing the software, you need to go with recover from iOS device. And after that, connect your iPad to your PC. Go with next. Now select the data type that you would like to recover. In our case, we'll just simply go and select photos. And here it will start to scan. And once the scan has been completed, you will have this preview window. You can freely choose any photos or videos that you would like to recover and simply hit on the recover button, which will be in the bottom of your screen. And then you need to go with the location where you would like to recover and go with recover. Just hit that button. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.